In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to write an equation in slope-intercept form to describe a function when you're given its graph. So if we look at this graph, this is a straight line, so it is a linear function. And if we're going to write the linear function in slope-intercept form, the slope-intercept form equation is y equals mx plus b. The information that we need to find is the m value, which is the slope, and also the b value, which represents the y-intercept. So from the graph, we can look at for the b value. The b value is our y-intercept, so it is where the line, this function, crosses the y-axis. So here's our y-axis, and look, here's our function. Where this function crosses this y-axis is right here. And the value is, if you look at this, it's going down by -1 each time. So it's at -3. The slope represents the m value. So this is the rise divided by the run. Now what we need to do is pick 2 points that are easily identifiable. So I would look at points where you can tell they cross in this upper right-hand corner of this little grid square. So I would say right here, we'll use this one, and we'll look for the very next one that crosses here. Now it really doesn't matter as long as it does cross here. We can simplify any slope. But if we look, the next point where it crosses in a top right-hand corner of a grid square is right here. So if we look, the rise of this is it increases by 2. And the run horizontally goes over 1 space. So this slope is 2 over 1, or 2 over 1 can be also written as 2. So now that we know the b value and the m value, now that we know our y-intercept and our slope, we can write this in our equation. It's y equals 2x subtract 3.